When the container is in position, secure it by raising the container latch. Place the last container in the cargo compartment. By raising the manual door sill latches. Lastly, set the power switch to off and close the access door. Unlock the first container by lowering the manual door sill latches. Open the control panel access door and set the power switch to on. Move the sill lock handle down and set the joystick to the out position. The overrideable door sill latches lower. The container leaves the cargo compartment. When the container is clear of the door sill, the sill lock handle automatically returns to the up position. Unlock the second container by lowering the container latches. Select out with the joystick. The container starts its lateral movement. Don't forget to move the sill lock handle down to lower the overrideable door sill latches. The container leaves the cargo compartment. Once the ball mat is clear of the containers, the overrideable XY guide has to be lowered before unloading the remaining positions. Manually unlock the next container to be unloaded. Select aft with the joystick. The longitudinal movement starts. For the unloading operation, the electrical Y guides are overrideable and lower when the container is moved. When the container is clear of the electrical Y guides, the electrical Y guides rise due to spring load. Move the sill lock handle down. The overrideable door sill latches are lowered. Set the joystick to the out position. The lateral movement starts. When the operation is finished, set the manual door sill latches to up. The last thing to do is to switch off the system and close the access door.